Alright, this is a quick unboxing of the JL Audio C6-650. I got the woofer, not the actual component, so I just need a woofer. I had a tweeter back in the day that's like high-end JL, so I'm gonna incorporate those with this build. So meanwhile, we're gonna do the woofer. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing. JL Audio. Alright, let's go. Let's get it. Alright. Okay, there you have it. C6-650, WCs. Alright, I got to box over this a little bit just to grab this very tight fit. Alright, this is a quick unboxing. Alright, this right here, we're going to the new build. We're going to have the new build. It's going to be the 2019 MDX. Alright, unboxing. Let's get it. Alright, nice cover. Alright, got it right here. This is the actual speaker right here on the actual box. This is a nice box, premium. Okay, I got a nice foam right here too. But I guess it's to protect it during shipping. Got the little papers, warranty, file to the side. Well, read a first look, read it with a drill that I'm gonna be using. All right, let's go see what's on this side here. And there you have it. Okay, this right here is actual mounting. Might not be using. All right, and this right here is the actual woofer. Let's take a look at this woofer. Put that to the side. Let's examine this right quick. Wow, okay. It's pretty nice. Got the leads on the side, got the positive here, and they got the negative on the side just to make it more balanced on the spider. Okay, pretty cool. It's a 6.5. Let's look at the motor. Wow, it's beautiful. C6, JL Audio. I guess got the little pole for vent. Okay, that's pretty nice. That's cool. All right, so this right here is the a quick unboxing. This is real nice. It's a big motor for a 6.5. Okay, this is real big. All right, there you have it. This is gonna be the first build. All right, there you have it, JL Audio. How we play. There you go. That's how we play.